finance touches everything at a company. So you can think of finance as a finance and accounting as a back office function, and you can think of operations as the front office function. So operations is where the value is created, whether that be a manufacturing operation where you're taking raw materials and labor and creating a finished good. And it can also be your sales process or your supplier process where you're negotiating value in your supply chain and doing strategic alliances. So it's definitely, there's a finance aspect to it since it touches everything. At a lot of companies, those functions are disconnected. So what we've tried to do, and also is what Oracle is working towards, is making finance more strategic. So you can imagine that an operational function always has a finance component. Either money's going out, or money's coming in, or money's being created and stored in the form of inventory or research and development. So, by connecting these disparate systems, we can make finance more strategic and we can make operations more profitable.